Want to turn your handwritten signature into a digital masterpiece? Let's do it in a few simple steps using ChatGPT. Step 1. Take a clear photo of your signature using your mobile camera. Now remove the background using any free background remover tool and save the signature as a transparent image file. Open ChatGPT and upload your transparent signature image. This is my signature. I need an AI prompt to regenerate it in a stylish digital form. Then just hit enter. ChatGPT will now analyze your signature and generate a new stylish digital version, still with a transparent background. Want to take it further? Ask ChatGPT to convert your digital signature into text form. This becomes your AI prompt ready for your future use. And that is it, your signature is now digital, stylish, and AI powered. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech tips.